Hello, I'm Emily Rush, your instructor for ACA 115. I'm so glad you're enrolled in this course, and I look forward to getting to know you virtually. I just wanted to go over a few things with you. I hope by now that you have read the syllabus and the course addendum. If you haven't, it's located here. You've got access to this. You should read this. This goes over the requirements for the class, etc. A couple of things I do want to mention to you. You're not going to be able to see it in the screen, but over on the right-hand side of the course page, you'll see an instructor info block, and there's a link to my email. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can send me an email, and I will try to attempt to respond to you within 48 hours. I am not on campus this summer. I'm doing everything remotely, so I will get back with you. A couple of things I want to go over with you. I have opened up all the modules, and there are approximately 6 modules that we'll be working on this summer. And just a train of thought to get it in your mind, every Sunday, unless I tell you otherwise, you will have assignments due. If I make any changes to this, they will be posted in the course announcements right here. So you want to make sure that you check this several times a week in case there's been any changes. But as you see, there's Module 1, and those 2 assignments are due June 7th. Then you have Module 2, there's 2 parts to Module 2. The first part, the assignments are due on the 14th of June. Part 2, the assignments are due on June 21st. As you move into Module 3, you'll see you have just 1 short assignment, and that's due on June 28th. Module 4, again, is a short module, and that assignment will be due July 5th. As you get into Module 5, though, there are actually, I think, 3 or 4 parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, and Part 4. Yes, 4 parts. Parts 1 and 2 of Module 5 are due on Sunday, July 12th, and 3 and 4 are due on July 19th. And then, of course, your final exam is due on Wednesday, July 22nd. It's important that you stay active in the class and you keep up with the assignments. If you have any questions, please email me. A couple of things, there is a penalty for late submitted assignments unless you have corresponded with me prior to the assignment. And when I say prior to the assignment, not 10 minutes before it's due. But, I'm willing to work with you. You just have to let me know, what's going on. I know everything is still kind of upside down in our world right now. And we can get through it together and work together. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Again, I'll be updating the course announcements at least once a week, and I will try to respond back to you within 48 hours unless it's on the weekend. Have a good day. Thank you.